name is Pushkar, and Pushkar Dev, and I'm currently in the third year of my 5-year law course. I am a student in School of Law, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, and I'm enrolled in Law Seco's Executive Certification course in Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Frankly, if I say law was never my first option after my 12th, as it generally as every science student feels, even after since I was a science student, I was first of all planning for engineering, and as a second option, I had law in my mind. But if I recall right now, even I didn't even plan on focusing too much on the law entrance exam. I was just focused on my JEE exam. So I gave JEE exam, and while filling applications for different private universities, I just came across the application for common law admission test, CLAT exam. So I thought, why not to give this a chance as well, since I always had law as a secondary option in my mind. So I gave my JEE exam. The result was not that good. I prepared for my CLAT exam for 2 months, and while preparing for the CLAT exam itself, while preparing for the CLAT itself, we are exposed to some basic laws like contracts, torts, and criminal law, etc. I was fascinated by the subjects. I was quite fascinated by the impact the law has on the society. I was fascinated by the kinds of judgments, the perception the judges hold, the I was exposed to the the majesty and the power of the courts in India, the importance they play in a democracy. And with that, I just decided that this is my calling, something which I want to do. And I gave my CLAT exam, and the result was quite okay. The result was quite good, considering the fact that I had prepared for a month, and I enrolled in UPES Dehradun. The reason why I took IBC was the Moot Court Association. Like every college has a Moot Court Society. In our college, there is the Moot Court Association. So the Moot Court Association, in the month of April, I believe, when the lockdown had just started, the Moot Court Association of our college went virtual. They started doing different kinds of webinars. And one such particular webinar was on how to ace corporate and insolvency law moots. So in that, we had witnessed the participation of senior partners from Shardul Amarsh and Mangaldas, and particularly the managing partner of Kesar Das B Associates, Mr. Sumant Batra. So in that, Mr. Sumant sir provided us with some quite strategies and tips to on insolvency law moots, and on the background we were some general information about the insolvency and bankruptcy code was provided. So that was quite fascinating for me. Like I got to know that before the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, the earlier insolvency law of India was the Provincial Insolvency Act of 1920, which was still continuing. Then I got to know the different facets, the importance which the IBC plays, and how it was a landmark legislation for the economy of India. And I did some reading. I did some background reading on the code, what it holds, what are its different provisions, and it was really it really fascinated me. So after that, I visited the Law Seco website. I saw the different facets of what we were going to cover, what were the kinds of assignments, and I enrolled because I really wanted. My main intention was that I had a lot of time to spare, and after when I complete this 6 months in lockdown, and if I when I complete my 5 years, and if somebody asks me, in those 6 months of lockdown, what did you do? So I need to show that yes, I learned something new, and I have a great command. I have a great command over it, and due to that, here is where I stand. Primarily, what happens is, as a student from a private university, it really becomes difficult to get internships personally, because I remember in the month of March, even before the pandemic situation unraveled, I was applying for different kinds of internships applying for different internships for my winter, for my summer internships in the month of May. Like after the holidays, after the holy holidays, when we go back to the college, we come back in the month of May for 2 months. So I remember I had applied for around 16 law firms. 16 law firms. I received a reply from only 2 law firms. The other law firms didn't even reply. So that was something which really affected me. And the month of March was actually a realization for me that I wanted to do something. So I enrolled in the course, and then I got to know that Law Seco has a dedicated placement team, and I was added in the placements group. They sent us different opportunities, and I just started I applied for two internships at first. And I immediately got a call from Samyukta ma'am. She informed me that I had been shortlisted for one interview. And I was also told that since the internship entailed an interview which will be conducted by the partners of that law firm, uh, it was based in Jaipur. So she said that the placement team was also offering us a practice interview. So the next day, a sir called us. He took a dedicated practice interview of 1 hour in which he pointed out every mistake. And it's real. What feels really great is in that interview, there were four of us on a conference call, and the three of them were my seniors. They were in third and fourth. I was in my second year. So the sir who was taking our practice interview, he asked brilliant questions, and keeping in mind in what year we were and what we had studied. And I answered it. And after that interview, sir called each student individually. He told us what mistakes we had made, where we need to improve. And I was really afraid during the interview because everyone was my senior. I didn't know how I was going to how I would fare in the actual interview. But the sir gave us some really valuable tips, and I gave the interview and I got selected. So that was something which really helped me. And then the second this internship I did in the month of June. And now in the month of August, I had there was another opportunity in the Law Seeker group. It was to intern under an advocate on record. So it was something really huge for me as a third year student, because an advocate on record is a huge persona. So I again applied under him. And then I received regular follow-ups from Samyukta and Sammanika ma'am, that this is your stage, your CV has been shortlisted, etc. And they provided me every help they possibly could. I again got selected into the internship. I informed them, and again they told me that if you have any problem, feel free to talk to us first. So the placements team at LawSeco has been immensely supportive. They have immense connection with the students. Even though the group has around 150 participants, still Samanika ma'am make sure that she replies. Samanika and Samyukta ma'am make sure that they reply to each and every message personally on the group, so that the needs of every student are addressed. So this is something which I found was really exceptional. Mostly, if I have to add something at the end, I would mostly say that uh, I should confess that when I first saw the course, it was around 14,000 rupees, and I was a bit skeptical that should I pursue this. But then I read about Ramanuj sir, I read about Abhyuday sir, and I just decided to go forward with it. And I must say it has been the best decision I have taken. The course is brilliant. The assignments which we do is brilliant. The instructor Vishakha ma'am who we have, she is just exceptional. So I have no regrets at all. It was the perfect course for me. I look forward to do many courses in the next 3 years which I have.